Hello my dear students, today we are going to solve one problem of NCERT 10th class 14.3 exercise chapter 14.3 exercise question number 3 to find out the median part 2. First part 1 we have seen in the previous video. We are going to see the part 2 by taking this question. Okay. In the question it is saying, let me read the question. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age. If policies are given only to person having age 18 years onwards, but less than 60 years. See here it is given 100. How many holders are there? 100 means total holders are 100. Okay. Now in this one the question it is given below 20, below 25, below it is given. Okay. Now it is starting from 18 years. So we will make one more table for it. 18 starting from 18 to 20, next 20 to 25, but less than 60 years. We should not count this 60 in this one. Less than 60 years. Now here this one is class frequency, cumulative frequency. It is cumulative frequency. Why it is cumulative frequency? See here it is going in ascending order, small to big, in a serial wise. It is in serial wise. Next, how much policy holders it is given? 100. Total 100 it is given. If we add all this, it will get more than 100. It is getting more than 100. But here it is getting only 100. So by this we can understand that total here it is getting 100. By this we can understand that this is not frequency. This is not the frequency, because total 100 plus 98, 92, if you all take all this, you will get more than 100. But the policy holders are only 100. Okay. So we should make the class interval for this one. How can we make? We will see in the next table. See below 20, that means starting from 18 to 20. Okay. 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, like that. 55 to 60. Why we stop up to 60 here? Because 60 years. Okay. Next, cumulative frequency. 2, 6, this is cumulative frequency. Okay. Now we will write the frequency. How should we write the frequency? First 2 as it is we should write. Next 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Next 24 minus 6 is equals to 18. Next 45 minus 24. 45 minus 24. 5 minus 4 1. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 2. Next 78 minus 45. 78 minus 45 3 33. Next 89 minus 78. 89 minus 78 11. Next 92 minus 89. How much? 3. Next 98 minus 92. How much it is? 6. Next 100 minus 98 is equals to 2. 100 minus 98 is equals to 2. Then we are getting 2, 4, 18, 21, 33, 11, 3, 6 and 2. 100 minus 98, it is 2. Now we got the cumulative, we got the frequency. Now we got the total frequency. Now how to find out total and how much it is? And how much it is? Total, how much it is given? 100. 100 by 2, that is 100 by 2, it is 50. 100 by 2, how much it is? 50. We should not write like this. 2 is equals to in one line. Place will not sufficient, that's why I am writing here. Okay. N by 2 is equals to 100 by 2 is equals to how much? 50. Now we should see in cumulative frequency number which is nearest to 50 but more than 50. It should be more than 50 but near to 50. then what will be the number? This one, 78. 78 is more than 50 and near to 50. No other number is near to 50 except 78. Many numbers are there. 45 is also near to 50, but it should be more. Okay. Next, what will be the L in this one? L is equals to 35. Next, CF. How you will take CF? 78. Preceding to 78, how much it is? 45. Next, F is how much? F is equals to F. Okay, frequency 33. Next, H is equals to, now which one is the common dividing here? 25 to 20 to 25, 5, 25 to 30, 5. Everyone except this, everyone is with the 5, difference is of 5. So we will take H is equals to 5. H is equals to 5. Now what is the formula to find out median? Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. CF by F into H. So instead of writing median again and again, what we can write instead of median? What we can write? We can write X tilde is equal to, L is how much? 35 plus N by 2, how much we got? 50 minus how much? 45 by F is how much? 33 into H is 5. Okay. X tilde is equals to 35 plus 50 minus 45, 5 by 33 into 5. 5 5 is how much it will be? 35 plus 5 5 is 25 by 33. 25 by 33. We will convert the unlike fraction to like fraction. How can we convert? Here the denominator is nothing. So we will take the denominator as 1. X tilde is equals to 35 by 1 plus 25 by 33. Now how to make the unlike fraction to like fraction? What is denominator here? 33. So the denominator should be equal. So X tilde is equals to 35 by 1 into 33 by 33 plus 25 by 33 into 1 by 1. 25 by 33 into 1 by 1. Now multiply 35 into 33, 3 5 are 15, 105 into 105. Okay. Now 105 plus 105, how much it is? 105 5 5 1 1, that is 1155. X tilde is equals to 1155 by 33 plus 25 by 33. 25, add 25 in this one. 1155 plus 25, 5 5 the 10, 5 6 7 8 1 1, that is X tilde is equals to 1180 by 33. 1180 by 33. Now we will do the division for this one. Okay. $33 with 1180. Now 33 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3s are how much it is? 99. 1180 and this is 99. That means 118 minus 99. 1018 minus 99. How much it will be? 118 minus 99. It will be 19 and 1 0. 190. It will be 190. Now near 33 into 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15, 16. 165. 5s are how much? 165. 190 minus 190 minus 165, how much it will be? 10 minus 5, 5, 8 minus 6, 2. Okay, take decimal point 0. Now 33 into 7. 7 3s are how much it is? 21. 1 carry 2. 7 3s are 21. 22, 23. How much? 7 3s are 21. 22, 23. 200 31. Now how much we have taken? 7. 9 minus 1 how much? Sorry, 10 minus 1 how much it is? 9. 4. 4 minus 3 how much it is? 1. Again 0. Again it is getting 33 into 5 how much it is? 33 into 5, 165. Okay. So 165, again it is going. So we will take approximately x tilde is equals to 35.75 or 35.76 also, no problem. 35.76. See, in this one total it is given 100. So here also it is given 100, then it cannot be Fi, it cannot be Fi, it can be class frequency. Why? Because in class interval, if we are continuously adding 2 plus 4, 2, 4, 18, 21, 33, 11, 3, 6, 2. If you add this all, you will get the 100. We will check it once. 4 plus 2, how much it is? 6. 6 plus 6, 4 plus 2, 6. Now 18. 18, how much it will be? 24. 24 plus 21. 24, 21, 5, 45. 45. 45 plus 33, 8, 78. 78 plus 11. Now 8, 9, 7, 8, 89, 89 plus 3, 89 plus 3, 92, 92 plus 6, how much it is? 92 plus 6, 98 plus 2, how much it will be? 100. That means total 2, 4, 18, 21, 33, 11, 3, 6, 2. If you add all this, you will get 100. You will get 100. That's why class frequency it is given, we should make the cumulative frequency it is given, we should make the frequency. Okay. Hope everyone understood. This was the second part of median. In the next two videos we will see some other problems. Okay. Hope everyone understood. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.